Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat account locked for violating guidelines. While fixing a Snapchat account locked for violating guidelines involves submitting an appeal through the official app or website, as the account may be permanently disabled or temporarily suspended based on the severity of the violation. Here are the steps to recover a Snapchat account locked for violating community guidelines or terms of services. If your account was locked for using third-party apps, plugins, or sending spam, it may be temporary. Just wait it out. If you violated community guidelines like bullying, inappropriate content, the account is locked for safety, often requiring an appeal. In order to go ahead and submit a legitimate appeal is going to be by simply opening your Snapchat application, and there is going to be a little button on the pop-up notification which says appeal decision. If this button does not appear, your account may not be eligible for an appeal. Keep that in mind. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.